but your story, and it's not, you can't say, I know you're calling it, it's not really autobiography, it's steps and different things, but what you have gone through, and you guys remain friends all the way through everything that Michael's gone through. And and then you're not telling him not to come to the hospital, like what person is really, is going to say, no, I can't go to the hospital, because that takes a lot of strength too, because you want to go, but you don't want him to go there.
And I also think maybe like he didn't want to see me like that, right? He wanted to
Yeah.
hear me on the phone, because if you hear my voice, well, then I physically haven't changed when you can hear my voice and not see me, right? And I think that was part of it too, because I have another best friend, Jonathan Fillion, who also he didn't show up till he picked me up when I left the hospital, because he couldn't
Oh.
he couldn't get in the door. He showed up 3 times.
Oh, I guess somebody must have called him, but that's okay. Here he is. He showed up 3 times.
Yeah, and just yeah, couldn't get in the door. And maybe just emotional now, because I was like thinking about that. I'm like, so I hated to do that to people, to make them to put them out like that they had to worry about me.
Well,
Right?
you didn't make yourself go into the hospital. This is something that happened.